Hi everyone, it's Rob here with another story for you to write. You discover a secret cellar beneath your home. On the wall is a huge red switch that says, "Do not touch." What do you do? What happens next?